Hi everyone. Today we'll learn how to make bulk sales entries in Tally using the Sales feature in VouchrIt. To begin, click on the Sales button from the dashboard. Before uploading, let's look at the VouchrIt templates available for pasting your data. Depending on whether you want to make non-itemized or itemized entries, download template 1 or 2 respectively and paste your data. In this case, we are going to make itemized sales entries. I'll click on Upload. After clicking on Upload, you will get 2 options. Either import sales data using GSTR1 Excel. This option is strictly for non-itemized entries if you have the GSTR1 Excel of your client or your own data. If you're looking to make entries through the VouchrIt template, click on VouchrIt template. In this case, I'm going to select itemized entries. My default voucher type is going to be sales. My default go down is going to be main location. If I want auto round off, I will click on yes. If you don't want auto round off, simply click the no button. I'm going to upload my itemized entries file and then click on next. Depending on whether you maintain common tax ledgers across percentages or maintain different tax ledgers for different percentages, you can choose between these 2 options. This data only needs to be filled one time, and the system will auto-pick it the next time. I'm going to click on Submit button. The file is now ready for review. I'm going to click on the Review button. Speedy Recommendations has already identified unique party names from the sales file and mapped them to the corresponding Tally ledgers in your Tally file. Let's see how that works. All the ledgers that already exist in Tally have been properly mapped. For the remaining pending ledgers that have not been auto-filled, if you're sure they don't already exist in Tally, just click on Auto-Create the Ledgers, and all of these ledgers will be auto-created within a couple of seconds. Then all you have to do is submit and proceed. Speedy Recommendations will map the stock item from Tally corresponding to the stock item description in the Excel. All you have to do is verify and click on Proceed. Now we've already selected the party ledgers and the stock items. The only thing that remains is the sales ledger. I can segregate the sales ledger depending on whether the sales are local or interstate, or by percentage, and then update the sales ledger accordingly. In this case, let's say I select all sales done with GST 5%. Now I want to update my sales ledger, so I'm going to click on Sales Ledger and then select the corresponding sales ledger, which I've already maintained in Tally. Now that I've updated for 5%, I'm going to go ahead and click on 18%. I want to update the sales ledger, so I'm going to click the corresponding sales ledger and click on Update. And all of my entries are done within a couple of minutes. You can see the pending items remaining are 0. All items have been resolved.